Surah, number 98, of Quran Majeed. The proof.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
لم يكن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين منفكين حتى تأتيهم البينة.
The faithless from among the people of the book and the polytheists were not set apart from the community of the faithful until the proof had come to them.
رسول من الله يتلو صحفا مطهرة.
An apostle from Allah reciting impeccable scriptures.
فيها كتب قيمة.
Wherein are upright writings.
وما تفرق الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءتهم البينة.
Those who were given the book did not divide except after the proof had come to them.
وما أمروا إلا ليعبدوا الله مخلصين له الدين حنفاء ويقيموا الصلاة ويؤتوا الزكاة وذلك دين القيمة.
Though they were not commanded except to worship Allah, dedicating their faith to Him as men of pure faith, and to maintain the prayer and pay the zakat. That is the upright religion.
إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم خالدين فيها أولئك هم شر البرية.
Indeed, the faithless from among the people of the book and the polytheists will be in the fire of hell, to remain in it forever. It is they who are the worst of creatures.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك هم خير البرية.
Indeed, those who have faith and do righteous deeds, it is they who are the best of creatures.
جزاؤهم عند ربهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه ذلك لمن خشي ربه.
Their reward, near their Lord, is the gardens of Eden, with streams running in them, to remain in them forever. Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with Him. That is for those who fear their Lord.